Hey guys, it's TechGropse again. Today we are here to introduce you to something that will allow you to see the latest movies and series online for free. And that too, at their earliest release. We know that it is an amazing thing to hear of. Well, TechGropse always tries to help you out in all technical situations, so that you can enjoy your technical journey seamlessly. But this time, my dear friend, we came up with a mix-up of technicality and entertainment. We all want to watch all the latest released movies at the earliest so that we can have a big mouth in front of friends. It's cool, right? We know, so let's not make you wait any longer. Let us tell you the app is none other than PikaShow. PikaShow is an Android application that allows users to stream and download movies, TV shows, web series, and other multimedia content directly on their Android devices. As we also serve businesses, and you are the one who wants to build an app like PikaShow, then watch this video till the end. To build an app like PikaShow, you will need to hire a good and well-experienced mobile app development team who has experience in building such similar applications. But before hiring, you must know the steps to build an app like PikaShow, market research, and planning. Analyze competitors, define features, and identify target users. Choose tech stack. Select front-end, back-end, and database technologies. UI, UX, design. Create wireframes and ensure a user-friendly interface. Develop core features. Implement authentication, booking, payments, and streaming. Testing and deployment. Conduct testing and launch on app stores. Marketing and growth. Optimize for SEO, ASO, and promote the app. These steps will help you coordinate well with the mobile app development team. And if you don't have time to take a headache, well, no worries, just contact us and we will make the map for your mobile app, like PikaShow. And we will develop the best app, like PikaShow, in just a few days. Contact us now.